12 Hidden Storage Ideas for Combating Clutter. Atlanta-based interior designer, Tim Green has an ingenious idea for hiding bulky items like luggage and boxes. Behind these built-in bookshelves is a secret closet that keeps stuff out of sight. Kitchens are one of those spaces in a home that can quickly get cluttered. Cabinetry designer, Christopher Peacock has an excellent trick for keeping countertops orderly. Behind this gorgeous sliding marble backsplash is a hidden spice rack. Large appliances can create visual clutter. In Oh So Kel blogger, Kelly Harmer's cooking space, the kitchen island conceals her washing machine. These stairs work double duty as book storage thanks to the clever designers at Zieminkowska de Boise Architects. Many garages often become a haven of junk. But if you are looking to reclaim that space for your vehicle, behold this idea from Miguel Suro, the blogger who pens The Rich Miser. He got things under control using inexpensive shelving and storage boxes from a local big box store. He says the result is a garage that looks neat, organized, and even more welcoming. Space can really get tight in shared spaces like this bedroom created for two boys by Christopher Peacock. The bunk beds are tricked out with several different concealed storage solutions. Underneath the bottom bunk, you will find 3 handy drawers. At the foot of both beds are vertical cubbies. Unsightly phone and tablet cords are a huge pet peeve for most people. Luckily, blogger April Lee from Love Our Real Life has an attractive solution for her home. Charging electronic devices are placed out of view in this refinished vintage cabinet. It was a yard sale find she updated with chalk paint. If your kitchen junk drawer is literally filled with stuff you never use, consider putting it to good use. This custom-built kitchen by Christopher Peacock features a convenient spice rack. What we love best about this idea, it makes seeing what you have on hand incredibly easy. Kelly Harmer, the insanely stylish lifestyle blogger behind Oh So Kel, created this outstanding banquet seating area in her kitchen so she could convert her dining room into a family room. The nook is brimming with built-in storage solutions inside both the benches and cabinets. We adore the secret coffee cupboard, which includes a machine, pods, and glasses, not to mention a USB port for phone charging. DIY bloggers, Chris Loves Julia, kept organization top of mind when revamping their kitchen. Besides having nearly an entire wall dedicated to concealed storage, the couple further optimized their cabinets with baskets, bins, jars, turntables, and layering stands. They also kept similar items together, for example, baking ingredients, which makes things easier to find. Put your staircase to work as hidden storage. Here the design team at BUJ+COL on Arquitectos did just that with smartly placed cubbies and cabinets. The entire staircase system is modular, making it a snap to reconfigure. Sometimes complicated problems like the lack of storage space can be solved with a simple solution. The design team at R3 Architetti eliminated the need for a bedroom dresser by placing custom rolling drawers under the built-in bed frame. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.